KPV 150 by Skygo. Ito yung keyless version, yung bago na. Check natin. So, ang difference lang nito dun sa old version ng KPV is yung keyless na siya ngayon. Yung before, yung lumang version ay disusi pa. And regarding sa color naman, itong blue is glossy na siya ngayon. Yung old version niya is matte blue. Same specs pa din siya nung KPV before. So, keyless na siya ngayon. As of now, naka-promo siya. 0 down payment, straight monthly. Liquid cool, disc brake yung likod, disc brake din yung harap, LED lights, so may DRL din siya, headlights LED, signal lights niya, LED din, brake lights, park lights, LED rin. So may built-in na rin siyang mudguard. May dalawang side pockets magkabilaan. Narito pa rin yung kanyang charger, USB and 12 volts outlet. Meron tayong passing light. Meron din siyang switch for ilaw. Panel niya is digital. Kung interested kayo sa keyless Skygo KPV 150, meron tayong dalawang units. Ready for release to. And naka-promo siya. 0 down payment, straight monthly. For 3 years, monthly niya is 5,851. May rebate na 300 pesos. If you are interested, PM lang kayo or visit us here at our showroom. We're located at Barangay San Antonio 2, San Pablo City, Laguna.